Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today, we have made it to day 114 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge, 365 days, where we are promoting one offer from Clickbank. And we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. All right. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year. Okay. So I just wanted to come back here with another video, show you guys how to do stuff, and then show you the results from what we did last night. Okay. Now go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing, what I'm talking about here. And let's go ahead and get right into this video. So we're on day number 114, guys. And let's go ahead and go over here to My Lead Gen Secret. Now, if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secrets is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're going to either see 100 or 200 leads. Okay. Now, what separates the two, it depends on how many accounts that you have. Okay. So the more accounts that you have, the more accounts that are going to have 200 leads in them. Right. So right now I have 8 different accounts. Okay. So all of my accounts but one has 200 leads coming in them every single day. Okay. So, and I'm going to show you guys, a little bit later on how to stack those accounts. All right. Now, just a little bit about myself with My Lead Gen Secret. I've been with My Lead Gen Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. Okay. I've promoted so many different offers to the service. I can tell you that it does work. These leads do convert. Okay. Now this is cold traffic. Okay. So these people have no idea who you are. You have to send out emails every single day in order to reach these people and to get them to trust you. Okay. And after they start trusting you and seeing your emails every single day, then they'll start purchasing from you. Okay. Or subscribing to your list. All right. Which is pretty cool. So this is just a little bit about the My Lead Gen Secrets. They've been around for a while now. Very popular in the email marketing space. Okay, and if you get started today, your back office is going to look exactly like this. This is what it looks like, guys. All right, you're going to have the My Leads, the master email swipes, the mailing list, statistics, affiliates, and all that good stuff. Okay, so your back office is going to look exactly like this. The only thing difference between yours and mine is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Okay. So that's the only difference. Now, if you go over here to the My Leads, this is just going to show you the leads that are coming in every single day. So this account that I'm in right now, we get 200 leads every single day. So this is the proof that we're getting 200 leads every single day. Okay. So these are brand new subscribers, brand new people that's never seen our offer before. So we're able to touch fresh leads every single day. And that's what another cool thing about this company is that they're always giving us fresh leads every single day. Okay. Which is pretty cool. So where you're going to be pretty much hanging out at and sending out your emails is going to be this tab right here, which is mailing system. So you would pretty much go in here, and this is where you're going to send out all your emails. Now I've already sent out my email for today. You can send out one email every 24 hours. All right. So that's another cool thing. You can come in every single day and reach people every single day. All right. So if you come back up here, if you guys ever sent out an email, whether it be in Gmail, Outlook, or Bing, whatever email service that you use, provider, right? You have a subject line and then you also have a body of text. Okay. So this body of text is where you're going to enter your email in. Okay. And then the subject line is obviously the subject line on what the email is about. All right. Now, you can create your own email if you want to do that, or the offer that we're using has free email swipes that we can use to send out to this program. Okay, so all you got to do is pretty much copy and paste. So if you know how to copy and paste over to this system, then you can do this method, guys. It's just super easy to do. Now, if you're a little bit more advanced with stuff, you can go over to Chat GPT or some kind of email AI, okay, that writes emails and you can create, cool emails. Okay. Now I do that as well. On top of, using the free offers that come with the program. Okay. I mean, using the free email swipes that come with this offer. All right. So the offer that we're using for this challenge, guys, is an offer called Social Sales Rep. This is one of the top offers on ClickBank in the e-business, e-marketing section. Now you don't have to use this offer. They got, a few other offers that you can use that look pretty much identical to this, but different names. Okay. They're basically make money online. That these people that are on the mailing system with My Legion Secrets, these are business opportunity leads. Okay. So these people care about making money, right? They don't care about anything else. So they want to make money online. So what we do as affiliate marketers, right? We go out and we find offers that are related to the traffic, right? We create the email or find an email and we send it to that traffic and we insert our affiliate link in that email. That way we can earn a commission. Okay. So the offer that we are using is social sales rep live chat jobs. You may see it on Clickbank. And Clickbank, by the way, is a free platform that you can go to use those offers, and it's free to get started. So just go on over to clickbank.com and create your account. Go ahead and get started. All right. So right here, they have free email swipes. So these emails pretty much are already pre-made. Okay. So we have 20 emails that we can use for this program over here. Okay. For the My Legion Secrets. So all you would pretty much do is you would come through here from day number one and you would grab the subject line and you would grab the body of text. And then you would come over here to the mailing system and you're going to paste it in right here. Okay. Now, I'll show you how to do it real quick. I'm gonna not go through the whole thing, but I'll give you the idea of doing it. So you click select all. That transfers all your emails, loads them up, so we can send out one email blast to however many people that you got in your back office. And then you will come back over here to the offer, and let's just go ahead and grab some random email. Okay, let's just try a different one. Let's just go ahead and go to 14, right? So you just grab the subject line, copy it, okay? Come back over here to the mailing system, Control V. Super easy to do, guys. Come down here to the come down here to the body text, click on perfect timing. Always make sure there's a check mark in this box, okay? Before you send out an email. Then you come back here and you grab this body of text, right? So just grab this, Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, and then Control V, right? Super easy to do. Take out this word signature, and you obviously want to put in your name or management, whichever one. And then from down here, this right here, every email for this offer has a bold text, a call to action text at the bottom. So as you can see, it'll be in bold text. So it says find out here. So basically what this email is, it basically is letting you know where to put the clickable links at. Okay. So people can click on your affiliate ID. Now, what we would do is we would just make this a clickable link by highlighting it. Okay. And then here is the affiliate link that we would use. Okay. This is the link that we're going to use to make it a clickable link. So this is your own personal affiliate link. Okay. So when you sign up for this account, you're going to have access to this link. And then whatever username that you come up with for your Clickbank account, you're going to put that in right here where it says your Clickbank ID. Okay. And you're going to take this out and put in your IDs. That way you get paid. Right. So you want to come back here and let's go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and just grab this. We're just going to grab the whole sentence. So sometimes you can either do it both ways. You can just grab the bold text and just do it there, or you could grab the whole link and make it a clickable link. Okay. Usually I like to just grab the whole link and grab the whole sentence and make it a clickable link. So as you can see, we pasted in that affiliate ID. Okay. And then all we have to do is come here to where it says Clickbank, your Clickbank ID. We want to take that out and you want to put in your ID. Okay. Don't put in mine, but put in yours. And what that does, as you can see, it turns this into a clickable link. So you want to Control A and then come here, down here. Okay. And we want to make this a little bit bigger. All right. And right here, boom. Okay. So this right here where it says find out here how you can make a living talking to people. Okay. This is a clickable link. So all you would have to do is click on preview. And what that does, it pulls this up in real time. Okay. So it shows you what the email looks like when it's going out and you'll be able to click on this link. We can't do it right now, but you'll be able to do it when you click preview. And you want to click on this link, and what you're looking for is your URL in the affiliate ID. Okay. You're looking for your affiliate ID in the URL. So when you click on that link, you want to be looking up here to see if your ID is showing up. Now, if it does, then that means that it's going right to your page and you're going to get paid for it. Okay. So that's pretty much what you want to do. You just want to click on the link, make sure that it works and that it's going to your page. Okay. That way you can get credit for the email. All right. And that's it. You come back here and you click on send now. Boom. You just sent out an email in the My Lead Gen secret system. You have eyeballs on your affiliate link. And if someone sees your affiliate link and they decide they want to buy, they're going to purchase from you. Okay. And you're going to make a commission. And then every Friday, what's going to happen is Clickbank is going to pay you every single Friday for the, sales that you get every single week. All right. So this traffic, guys, is a no-brainer. Okay, I tell a lot of people that this traffic is a no-brainer. Okay, there's a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then $30 a month to keep the service. I mean, what you're getting in return is you're getting thousands, you're being able to build thousands of people every single month into your back office. That way you have access to these people every single day. You can come in every single day and send out an email to this traffic. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys, how this works, how to send out an email. If you want to get started, I did leave a link below this video, like I always do. Okay. So you just come back here and you click on this link right here, this MLGS True Freedom. Click on that. It's going to take you to the landing page. That way you can go ahead and get started today. Okay. Now, once you get started, just send me an email or send me a message on this YouTube channel. Okay. And let me know that you did sign up under my link and give me your email address so I can track and see if you did sign up. And then once you sign up, I got some emails that I use that I don't share with anybody else that I will share with you. Okay. If you do sign up. All right. So that way you can hit the ground running like I did. Okay. These are the same emails someone gave me, and I'm just going to repurpose them and give them to you. Okay. For free. Okay. So go ahead and get signed up today, and let me know. But let's go ahead and move on. Okay. And whether you sign up or not, I'm not going to stop making money. Okay. From me sending out emails. So don't think that you're doing me some kind of favor or something like that. I'm trying to help you. Okay. Earn income for yourself. Right. So let's go ahead and get over to Clickbank. Let's go ahead and go over here to clickbank.com. Okay. This is a platform that I use to send out these emails, these offers that I use from this place to send out these emails. Okay. So let's see here. This is the back office of Clickbank. Okay, as you can see, we have been earning commissions lately. This has been the algorithm. Okay, it's been like every 2 days or every other day that we get a commission. And today we did earn a commission today, but it looks like it's a rebuild. Okay, because whenever you earn a commission with this offer, it's a free trial. So someone signs up for a free trial, they get billed 3 days later. Okay. So let's go ahead and check on the reporting. And let's see how we did today. Okay. We sent out emails last night in the system, and I want to see how we did. All right. So let's go ahead and go here. Okay. So today we did, let's see here. We got over 877 hops and then 800 unique hops today. Unfortunately, we didn't get any order form impressions and no initial sales today. Okay. Which I'm surprised about. But we did earn a rebill here, and we did earn some money today. Okay. And I want to find out where that came from. All right. So let's go ahead and go back here. Let's go ahead and go down to, let's go here, and I want to check another report just to find out where that money came from today. All right. So let's go ahead and go here, and let's go ahead and click on this commission that we got. All right. Let's check out where it came from. All right, so this, as you can see, this sale came from last month. Okay, someone signed up on the 9th for the free trial. They got billed 3 days later, which was the 12th. Okay, today is August the 12th. So someone signed up last month, and they still sign. They still, they're still working with this program, and they're making money. Okay, that's the only reason why someone is staying with this program, because it's working for them. They're earning money. Okay, so that person did get billed for the program again. Okay. And they paid. All right. So we earned a commission from someone from last month that bought the program. All right. So I just wanted to show you that, guys, on, where that sale came from. And it looked like I said, we did earn a commission today. Okay. No, it was maybe not be, super big commission or whatever, but we did earn a commission today. Okay. So which is really good. And all we're doing is sending out emails. We're copying and pasting emails over to the system, to the My Legion secret system, and we're just earning money from it, just direct linking to our link. All right. Now, I am working on some things that are a little bit more advanced because we're going to, halfway through this thing, we're going to kick it up a notch and we're going to start doing a little bit more advanced marketing, like such as creating our own emails, okay, and then, or repurposing emails, okay, and then also creating bridge pages, landing pages, squeeze pages, whatever you want to call it. That way we can separate, from sending, from just direct linking from our affiliate link. Okay. Because there's two ways that you can do this method, right? You can use the emails from the lender, from the offer. Okay. You can use your affiliate link that's going to direct our customer to our page, or you can create your own email that's not here. Because if you're watching this video, there's probably a lot of other people watching this video, okay, or that know about this method, right? And they're going to probably use the same affiliate link and it's going to go to the same page, okay? So eventually everybody's going to be doing the same thing. But what separates you from everyone else is your own customized email, okay? That doesn't look like this. That's a different format. And then also your affiliate link is different. It's you have a landing page or a bridge page that no one else has. Okay. And that's kind of what we're going to be, you know, heading towards, at the end of this month. All right. Going into month 5. Okay. I want to start getting more advanced. That way you can kind of see the difference between you doing it one way and then doing it another way and earning a little bit more money. Okay. But right now, we're just keeping it easy, super simple. That way everyone can, kind of figure it out. And then once they figure it out, you can see how you can maximize your time and maximize this method. Okay. By doing, things that you can make more money with it. All right. So, that's it, guys. I just wanted to share that with you guys that we did earn a commission today. Okay. It's just a rebill from someone from last month. I wanted to show you the traffic that we got today. Okay. And how we did, which we did get some traffic today. And then we did earn money today. Okay. Which is good. So I'm not going to complain. Right. So, but I did want to just show you that because we sent out emails last night. And I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow and meet up with you guys at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.